Welcome to AutoResolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix ARC riders opening twice and the mini loading window issue and crash error easily.
Fix 1. Disable background launch. Step 1. Open the Epic Games Launcher or Steam if you use Steam. Step 2. Go to Settings, Arc Raiders. Step 3. Look for Run in Background or Launch at Startup and turn it off. Step 4. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Fix 2. Check for multiple instances. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Step 2. Look for Arc Raiders running more than once. Step 3. Click on Extra Instances and Task. Step 4. Launch the game again. Fix 3. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher, Library, Arc Raiders. Step 2. Click the three dots, Verify. Step 3. Wait for the process to finish and relaunch the game. Fix 4. Run as administrator. Step 1. Click the Arc Raiders shortcut Properties Compatibility. Step 2. Check Run this program as administrator. Step 3. Apply changes and launch the game.